Hello guys, I am back welcoming you all with this. Today we will be driving the new S-Class, starting with my first night drive. Just look at this, can you see this? The animation as soon as I start the car, as soon as I unlock and lock the car. Let me just start the ignition and look at the beautiful ambient lighting. Wow, this is amazing. Let me just start the engine. Today less talking, pure night drive, just enjoy and experience an unforgettable ride inside the new S500. If you haven't seen my walk around or first drive video, just check out the info box above. From now on, we start the drive. Since we have the rear axle steering, it's super easy to turn. Feels like driving C-Class or A-Class. As you can also see, we have the augmented reality at the head-up display, and also as soon as I approach the traffic lights, we have the camera, which is super useful. As soon as I'm sitting here, I can't actually see the traffic light on my right, and now I see it switch to green. We're doing the turn, then it disappears again. As soon as I approach the next light, it will appear again, which is super useful, guys. I love this feature. Look, I can't see the traffic lights for now, and for that we have the camera. I'm actually right now in Stuttgart. We will be filming a lot of new cars with Mercedes-Benz. In total, I guess it's around 5 new cars. And I'm not sure if I'm going to post that video before or after the release. We'll see. But we'll definitely tell you and show you some crazy cars in the next few months. You don't actually hear what's going on outside, as we have the noise cancellation in the interior. It's so advanced, very comfortable inside the new S-Class. I'm actually enjoying every single minute with it right now. So that's it basically for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Just wanted to do a night drive, my first ever night drive with less of talking, so you can actually experience my point of view. All in all, how do you guys like it? Just leave me your feedback. What would you like to see? What you didn't like, or else which car you would like to see on this channel? Just leave it all in the comment section below. Going to respond to all of them. I'm looking forward to see you all again. Wish you all a great day. I will be back.